In the news tonight, discrimination in the classroom.
When I was being abused verbally and physically by a teacher.
It's a primetime news special report. Raging fire. What caused this tanker truck to explode? Shooting rampage. 8 shot in 2 days in Clarendon.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janella Precious. There's also Financial Week in this newscast, and we have Milton Walker here with a preview. Milton?
Yes, we've heard about executive pay being out of whack in North America and in Europe. Well, tonight we have a story about that very issue here in Jamaica.
And from Milton, it's to Spencer Darlington at the Sports Desk.
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, a prominent high school is in the news once again. Read the physical abuse of a student athlete. We'll have the details on that later.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, has your child experienced discrimination or bullying because of his religious beliefs at school?
You can share comments online at facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.